In this video we are going to install a Sengled smart bulb that does 16 million colors. Coming up next. Hi, this is Justin from Simply Smart, where we make smart home technology as easy as 1, 2, 3. So if you're interested in smart home technology, consider subscribing for more content like this. Okay, so we are in our movie room here, and I figured what a great place to install a smart bulb that has a bunch of different colors, because this room we only use for watching movies. So what we're going to do is remove our standard light bulb and replace it with this ZigBee smart bulb. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is obviously remove your current standard light bulb. So we're going to remove our dome, and then our standard light bulb. Alright. Now we just take the smart bulb out, and this uses ZigBee, so it will help all of our other ZigBee devices connect and communicate. And this is very heavy, has a lot of weight to it. So we're just going to screw this in. Alright, so we are screwed in, and then the next step we're going to do is connect it to SmartThings and then control it with our voice using Alexa. Okay, so now we have our smart bulb installed, and what we're going to do is connect it to SmartThings. So we're going to go into the SmartThings app, and on our Things page under the My Home tab, and we are using the SmartThings Classic app because it works the best right now still. Just go to your upper right corner where you see the plus sign and hit the plus. Now SmartThings is looking for a smart bulb, and it already found our Sengled Element Color Plus bulb. So I'm going to actually flip on the light switch, and now you can see that the light is just standard daylight now. And we're going to go to the app and just rename this device, and we are in the movie room, so I'm just going to call this Movie Light, and hit done, and then hit save. And basically it's saying, do you want to add any more devices? We're just going to add this one device now, so we're going to hit OK. And now we look down in our list, we have Movie Light, and you can see that the light is on now. So if I hit the off button, it'll turn off, and if I hit the on button, it'll turn on. And if I actually tap on either the icon or the name, we can go into the app, and it tells us, oh, this is actually the color Moonlight, and you can turn it on and off from here. Or you can also go to the colors, and you can kind of just tap around here, and it will change to any different color. They say there's 16 million colors, but I don't know if you would be able to see the difference of the 16 million colors. But you can see there is just so many colors here. So I'm just going to leave it on green. And then now we have it connected to SmartThings. So now the next step would be to connect it to Alexa. So all you need to do is say, Alexa, discover devices.
Starting discovery. This will take up to 20 seconds. If you haven't already, please enable the Smart Home skill for your smart device from the Alexa app.
So she's searching for new devices that she doesn't have yet.
I found movie light, and you can control it by saying, turn off movie light.
Alright, so she has found it. Now you can control it with your voice. So you can say, Alexa, turn off movie light.
Okay.
There you go. Alexa, turn on movie light.
Okay.
You can also change the color with your voice just by saying, Alexa, movie light red.
Okay.
There you go. So you can do everything. You can also dim and brighten it. So you can say, Alexa, movie light 50%.
Okay.
You got a little dimmer there. Alexa, movie light blue.
Okay.
And it will change to any color. And that is how you connect the Sengled bulb to SmartThings and control it using your voice through Alexa. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.